Julian Assange is now a free man. The Wikileaks founder pleaded guilty to one US espionage charge in exchange for his freedom. The 52-year-old Australian editor, who gained prominence for publishing classified US Army documents 2 decades ago, left a US federal court in Saipan, Mariana Islands after striking the deal.
He faced 175 years in prison for publishing evidence of war crimes, human rights abuse and US wrongdoing around the world. Today he pleaded guilty to an offence for having published information in the public interest, for which he's won journalism awards the world over and been nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize every year for the past decade. This sets a dangerous precedent.
Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese welcomed Assange's arrival from Parliament.
Mr Assange has since boarded a flight to Australia and will land in Australia later today. Now, regardless of your views about his activities, and they will be varied, Mr Assange's case has dragged on for too long. I've said repeatedly that there was nothing to be gained by his continued incarceration.
The internet publisher's guilty plea meant he was allowed to return to Australia without time served. The felony is accompanied by a 5-year jail sentence. Incarceration Assange avoided as he was jailed for half a decade in London. As the press freedom advocate's plane taxied from the South Pacific back to his native Australia, it puts the legal saga spanning continents, international politics and health episodes to rest.